Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add Filmora effect pack. Adding effect packs to Filmora can enhance your editing capabilities with new transitions, filters, overlays and more. So here's how you can get started. Open up your Filmora application or your Filmora editing software on your computer. I'm doing this on my mobile device. Once you open it up, go ahead and open up a new project or import a video. Here I've added a video on my timeline. Now, go to the bottom of the screen and click on the Effect option. Click on Add under the Effects tab, and once you're inside this Effect tab, you will be able to browse through available effect packs. You will be able to find categories like Basic, Opening and Closing, Lens, Shake, Audio Effect, Retro, and much more. Select one of the effect packs available and then go ahead and download an effect you would like to use for your video. Tap on the effect and then tap on the tick mark at the top right. Adjust your effects on your timeline by dragging your timeline, and that is how you will be able to apply the effect pack on your video. You can also go ahead and visit Filmora Effect Store via your web browser and browse through the available effect packs, find different categories, and you can purchase or download the free packs if available. After you are done with applying the effects on your video, click on Export at the top right corner and follow through the instructions. And that's how you will be able to add Filmora effect pack using your Filmora mobile application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.